Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. This state doesn't actually require one, but it's a good idea to have just in case. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have all the previous documents filled out, and exchange payment. Kansas requires you to fill out a seller's notice of sale form TR-216. You'll need to fill it out and send it to the address on the form along with the $10 fee. This document removes you from liability in case the vehicle is involved in any sort of legal trouble in the future. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to the old license plates. Be sure to remove them before the new owner takes possession of the vehicle. If you want, you can register those plates to another vehicle that you own. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.